Okay, guys, it could be any minute now.
Yep, almost done.
You know, Max was like the sweetest guy ever before he fell into a pool of electric eels.
That'll do it. Oh, there it goes.
You okay?
Oh, it's my back. It's kind of stiff from all the swinging, I guess.
Oh, yeah, no, I got a middle back thing too.
Really?
Yeah. You want me to crack it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, that'd be great.
All right. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
That was it.
Wow. That's good.
Right?
That's better.
Yeah.
Wow.
God, this is so cool. I always wanted brothers. So you, like, make your own web fluid in your body?
I'd rather not talk about this.
No, I don't mean
But
to...
are you teasing me?
No. He's not teasing you. It's just that we can't do that. So naturally, we're curious as to how your web situation works. That's all.
But if it's personal, I don't want to, like, pry, but I just think it's cool.
I wish I could tell you, but it's like I don't do it. Like I don't do breathing. Like breathing just happens.
Whoa.
Like, does it just come out of your wrists, or does it come out of anywhere else?
Only the wrists.
You never had a web block? Because I run out of webs all the time. I have to make my own in a
Right.
lab,
That's
and it's a hassle compared
that
to
sounds
what
like
you
a
got.
hassle. Yeah, but I did actually. You said that. I was like, oh, I had a web block.
Whoa, why?
Existential crisis stuff.
Yeah, I mean, like, don't get me started on that.